A good carpet cleaner should remove the mess without turning your living room into a wet construction site. Here are 5 models ranked from the strongest all-round choice to the most specialized option. At number 1 is the Bissell Revolution HydroSteam Pet. For me, it is the most balanced machine here because it combines strong stain removal, real steam, and a body that is still manageable at home. Steam pre-treat loose sticky or dried messes before the brushes and suction take over. You also get 2 brush rolls, 3 cleaning modes, and a quick dry setting that can leave carpet dry in about 30 minutes under suitable conditions. Compared with the Big Green, it is easier to move while offering more help with stubborn stains than the Hoover or Kenmore. But there is a catch. It is heavier and more expensive than the Hoover and Kenmore. The brushes cannot be switched off, and steam does not reach the hose tools. Deep cleaning can also leave carpet wet far longer than quick dry mode. I would choose this for a busy home with pets, children, or frequent spills. It gives you more cleaning options without becoming as bulky as a commercial-style machine. If maximum deep cleaning power matters more than easy handling, the next model deserves a look. Links to all products in this review at the best available price are in the description below the video. In second place is the Bissell Big Green. This is the heavy-duty choice, and you notice it as soon as you move it. It feels less like a quick household appliance and more like a machine built for serious carpet work. Its large tank means fewer stops, while the brush cleans on both forward and backward passes. That helps when covering large rooms or pulling dirt from deep carpet. It also has strong floor head suction and a long hose for stairs and upholstery, but honestly, 42 pounds is a lot. Carrying it upstairs is not pleasant. Storage takes more space, and there is no steam or built-in water heater. It may also leave more moisture behind than the Hoover. Choose the Big Green for large carpeted areas, heavy soil, or frequent use. For lighter routine cleaning, the next model feels much easier to live with. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if this comparison is helping you. At number 3 is the Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe. This is the practical value pick, lighter than both Bissell models, simple to use, and well-suited to regular home cleaning. Its 5 rotating brushes scrub from different angles, while automatic detergent mixing removes some guesswork. Heat force adds warm air to support drying, and the Hoover is especially good at pulling moisture from carpet. The removable nozzle and brushes also make cleanup easier. The compromise is cleaning strength. It handles normal dirt and fresh spills, but deep or dried stains may need extra passes. The cord is shorter than on most rivals, it is fairly noisy, and the design feels more basic than the HydroSteam. This is a strong choice when you want a full-size cleaner without the weight or price of the top 2. But if stairs, easy carrying, and long reach matter more than tank size, the Kenmore may fit better. Fourth place goes to the Kenmore Revitalite. What stands out is how light and easy it feels compared with the larger machines above it. Low-mounted tanks help it move smoothly, and the long cord and hose are useful on stairs. Its dual brush rolls provide solid agitation, while the stain and wide path tools add flexibility for upholstery and smaller problem areas. But the small dirty water tank fills quickly, and the machine can leave carpet slightly wetter than some competitors. The 1-year warranty is the shortest among the uprights, and there is no steam or quick dry mode. Pick the Kenmore when low weight and stair cleaning matter most. For whole rooms it is capable, but for small spills, sofas, car seats, and grout, the final product is more focused. At number 5 is the Dreame N20 Steam. That does not mean it is a bad cleaner. It simply serves a different purpose because it is built for spots and upholstery, not full carpeted rooms. It can wash with cold water, hot water up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, or steam up to 212 degrees. Automatic detergent mixing is useful. The hose can clean itself, and the tools handle fabric, grout, crevices, and vehicle interiors. For a coffee spill on the sofa, this is far easier than pulling out a 42-pound upright. But the small tanks, short hose, and lack of a powered floor head make large areas slow. Steam also needs care around delicate materials, and this model has less long-term independent testing than the established brands above it. Choose the Dreame if localized messes are your main problem. It works best as a specialized second cleaner, while the higher-ranked uprights are better as your main carpet machine. Check the top products through the links in the description below the video to compare the latest available prices. And remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest product comparisons.